Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to count total rows per table in database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and this is our databases. So we are going to count total rows per table in database. Go to SQL and then we are going to add query. Now paste. And you will find this query in video description or in comment section. Now you see select table name, table rows, and then you see tables. So you can add your database. So you can add database name and then click on go. So click on it and then you see table name. So this is our table name and then you see table rows. So this is a record. Now you see 0, 2, 5, 2, 0. So by using this query, you will find table names and tables row for database in PhpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.